You are not going to believe what just showed up at Dollar Tree, for only $1.25. And no, this isn't leftover clearance junk. These are brand new garden supplies for January, and some of them honestly have no business being this cheap. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, the place where we stretch every dollar and still grow a garden that actually thrives. If you love smart garden finds, seasonal tips and realistic advice that works in real backyards, make sure you subscribe now so you don't miss what's coming next. Quick question before we jump in. Where are you watching from right now? Are you already dealing with cold weather? Or are you lucky enough to be gardening year-round? And tell me this too. Are you already planning your spring garden? Or are you just starting to think about it? Drop it in the comments. Then let's get into the first Dollar Tree find. Item number 1, 2026 Garden Planning Journal. Item number 1 is something I honestly believe every gardener should have, no matter how big or small your space is. And that is the 2026 Garden Planning Journal. At first glance it might look simple, but once you flip through it, you realize how thoughtfully it's laid out. There are dedicated sections to track planting dates, note which varieties you used, sketch out basic garden layouts, and even record harvest results so you can see what actually worked. This is the kind of tool that quietly turns guesswork into confidence over time, especially if you've ever found yourself asking, what did I plant here last year? Or why did this bed do so well? What really makes this journal stand out is the value. Garden planners like this typically sell for $5 to $10 at bookstores or garden centers, and many of them aren't even as practical. For $1.25, this becomes an easy habit to keep, rather than something you feel bad about not using perfectly. You can toss it in a tote, bring it outside, make messy notes, and actually use it the way it's meant to be used. For me, this is a definite worth it, and one of the smartest finds in the entire haul, especially if you're serious about growing better in 2026. Item number 2. LED Solar Garden Stakes. Item number 2 is one of those garden finds that instantly makes your space feel more finished, and that's these LED solar garden stakes. Dollar Tree has rolled out some new styles for January, and while they're simple, they do exactly what they're supposed to do. Each stake charges during the day, and automatically turns on at night, giving off a soft glow that works beautifully along walkways, around raised beds, or tucked into large containers. They're lightweight, easy to install, and don't require any wiring, which makes them perfect if you just want quick impact without extra effort. What really makes these worth talking about is the price comparison. Similar solar stakes usually cost $5 or more at big box stores, and you'd need several to create the same effect. Are these going to light up your entire yard? No, and they're not meant to. But as accent lighting, especially for small gardens or patios, they punch well above their price. For $1.25, I'd call these a solid worth it, especially if you enjoy a garden that still feels inviting after the sun goes down. Item number 3. Biodegradable Peat Pots, 10-pack. Item number 3 is one of those quiet practical garden supplies that doesn't look exciting at first, but ends up making a huge difference once the season gets going. And that's this 10-pack of biodegradable peat pots. These are designed specifically for starting seeds indoors, and the timing couldn't be better with spring right around the corner. You plant your seeds directly into these pots, let them grow, and when it's time to move them outside, the entire pot goes straight into the ground. That means the roots are never disturbed, which is one of the biggest reasons seedlings struggle or fail after transplanting. What really makes these peat pots valuable is how much stress they take out of seed starting, especially for beginners. You don't have to pop plants out of plastic cells, or worry about damaging delicate roots, and the pots naturally break down in the soil as the plant grows. At most garden centers, a pack like this would easily cost several dollars, sometimes more depending on the brand. For $1.25, this is an easy win, and something I'd strongly recommend picking up early, because seed starting supplies are some of the first things to disappear once everyone starts thinking about spring. Item number 4. Pruning shears with safety lock. Item number 4 is a tool every gardener reaches for over and over again. And that's a pair of pruning shears with a built-in safety lock. Dollar Tree has updated the design on these, and you can feel the difference right away. The handle is more ergonomic, the grip feels more secure, and the safety lock is easy to use without fighting it. These are the kind of shears you'll grab for quick jobs, like deadheading flowers, trimming back soft growth, harvesting herbs, or cleaning up plants that just need a little attention. Now, let's be realistic about expectations. These aren't meant for thick branches or heavy-duty pruning, but they're not pretending to be. For everyday garden maintenance, they hold their own, especially considering similar tools often cost $5 to $15 at hardware and garden stores. I like these as a main pair for light work, or as a backup you can keep in a garden tote. For the price, they're absolutely worth it, and a smart addition to any budget-friendly garden setup. Item number 5. Succulent and Cactus Soil Mix. Item number 5 is one of the most unexpected finds in this haul, and that's this Succulent and Cactus Soil Mix, which is something you don't usually see at Dollar Tree. This is a specialty blend designed to drain faster than regular potting soil, which is exactly what succulents, cacti, and other drought-tolerant plants need to stay healthy. The bag isn't huge, but it's perfect for repotting small plants, refreshing tired containers, or topping off pots that have compacted over time. If you've ever lost a succulent to soggy soil, you already know how important this kind of mix really is. What makes this such a good buy is the value compared to garden centers, where specialty soils like this often cost $4 to $8 per bag. For $1.25, this gives you an easy way to give your plants the right growing conditions, without overthinking it or overspending. I especially like this for apartment gardeners, or anyone with a collection of small pots on a windowsill or patio. For me, this is a definite worth it, and one of those items that feels far more expensive than it actually is. Item number 6. Garden Twine Dispenser with Built-in Cutter. Item number 6 is one of those simple tools that ends up saving you time every single week in the garden, and that's this garden twine dispenser with a built-in cutter. Instead of dealing with tangled string or running back and forth looking for scissors, everything you need is right in one compact container. The twine feeds smoothly, and the cutter is sharp enough to give you a clean cut without fraying, which makes quick jobs feel much less annoying than they usually are. This is incredibly useful for staking tomatoes, tying up peppers, training climbing plants, or even bundling herbs after harvest. Similar twine dispensers usually sell for several dollars at garden centers, and they don't always include a cutter. For $1.25, this is the kind of practical upgrade that just makes gardening easier without adding clutter. I'd absolutely call this a worth it, especially if you like keeping your garden tools simple, organized, and ready to grab when you need them. Item number 7. Adjustable Plant Ties 20-pack. Item number 7 is one of those supplies you don't think about until you really need it, and that's this 20-pack of adjustable plant ties. These are soft, flexible, and designed to gently support plants as they grow without cutting into the stems. Unlike string or wire, they give a little as the plant thickens, which helps prevent damage over time. They're also reusable, so once the season is over, you can untie them and use them again next year. What makes these such a smart buy is how versatile they are. You can use them for tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, houseplants, young trees, or even to organize garden tools and hoses. At garden centers, similar reusable ties usually cost $3 to $6 per pack, sometimes more. For $1.25, this is an easy yes and one of those items you'll be glad you stocked up on once everything starts growing fast. Item number 8. Mini Greenhouse Starter Kit. Item number 8 is easily one of the most exciting finds in this entire haul, and that's this mini greenhouse starter kit. It comes with a clear plastic dome and a tray underneath, creating a warm, humid environment that seeds absolutely love. This setup helps retain moisture and heat, which can make a noticeable difference in germination rates, especially for seeds that are a little slower or more finicky. It's compact enough to fit on a windowsill, shelf, or under a grow light, making it perfect for small spaces or indoor seed starting. What really makes this kit stand out is the price compared to similar options elsewhere. Mini greenhouses like this typically sell for $8 to $15 at garden centers, and they're often made from very similar materials. While this isn't meant to replace a full seed starting setup, it's ideal for herbs, flowers, and a small batch of vegetables. For $1.25, this feels like one of those rare finds that delivers way more value than you expect. And it's something I'd grab immediately if you're planning to start seeds this season. Item number 9. Decorative garden stones and markers. Item number 9 is all about adding personality and charm to your garden. And that's these decorative garden stones and markers. This year's Dollar Tree selection includes stones painted with inspirational quotes, colorful patterns, and small designs that are surprisingly weather resistant. They're lightweight enough to move around easily, but sturdy enough to handle rain and sun exposure, making them a practical way to brighten up flower beds, container gardens, or pathways. Beyond just decoration, these stones can also serve a functional purpose. They can mark specific plants, designate seed starting areas, or even act as a simple gift idea for fellow gardeners. At other stores, individual stones like these often sell for $3 to $8 each, which makes the $1.25 price point feel like a steal. If you enjoy adding little touches of character and fun to your garden, these are absolutely worth picking up. They're one of those finds that make a space feel curated without spending a fortune. Item number 10. Compost starter pellets. Item number 10 is perfect for gardeners looking to boost their composting game, and that's these compost starter pellets. These little activator tablets are designed to speed up the decomposition process by introducing beneficial microbes and nutrients to your compost pile. You simply sprinkle them in as you add new kitchen scraps or yard waste, and they help break down materials faster while improving the overall quality of your finished compost. What makes these especially interesting is that Dollar Tree is carrying them as part of a new product line. Most compost activators at garden centers or online sell for $6 to $12, so at $1.25, this is an easy way to try something new without committing a big budget. While results can vary depending on the materials and conditions in your compost, these pellets are a handy tool for any home gardener, and I'd definitely call them worth picking up if you're serious about creating nutrient-rich compost efficiently. And there you have it. 10 brand new Dollar Tree garden supplies for January 2026 that are surprisingly practical, fun, and affordable. From the planning journal that helps you stay organized all season, to seed starting essentials like peat pots and the mini greenhouse kit, these items prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to make your garden thrive. Even the little things, like adjustable plant ties, twine dispensers, and decorative stones, can make your gardening routine smoother and more enjoyable. Some of these items may feel like small purchases, but together they can completely upgrade your gardening setup without breaking the bank. My top picks from this haul have to be the garden planning journal, the biodegradable peat pots, and the mini greenhouse starter kit. These three provide the biggest value and are especially useful if you're gearing up for the spring growing season. Seasonal items like seed starting supplies tend to sell out quickly, so if you see them at your local Dollar Tree, I'd grab them sooner rather than later. Even if some of the tools are light duty, they're perfect for casual or beginner gardeners who want practical, low-cost solutions that actually work. Thank you so much for watching this haul with me today. I'd love to hear in the comments which of these 10 items you're running to Dollar Tree to grab first, or if you've already spotted other new garden finds at your store. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Timeless Gardening, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a budget-friendly garden haul or seasonal tip. Happy gardening in 2026, and I'll see you in the next video.